Hey guys, it's your girl Chloe, and today I have another makeup tutorial for you guys. I know it's been a while since, Valentine's Day makeup. I think I uploaded that makeup tutorial like a week before Valentine's Day, and I really just didn't have the time to film another tutorial because I was in Japan, and just the whole week after Japan was really crazy and really busy at work. So that's why it was hard for me, but today, finally, I am filming a tutorial for you guys. Yay! So today I'm doing a makeup that I've been really obsessed with lately. I've been really into pinkish beige colors. Kind of like this, kind of like very baby pink kind of colors. I felt like a lot of people were doing like cherry makeup, strawberry makeup, peach makeup, like very like fruity stuff already, but I'm just not ready for that yet because it's still kind of, you know, like going from the cold to the warmer season. So I wanted to do something kind of cozy and soft and, you know, kind of like a teddy bear feel. So today I'm going to do a tutorial on pink beige makeup. Hope you guys enjoy it, and let's get started. Alright, as always, I'm going to roll my bangs up. Up, up, up. I already applied sunscreen on, so I'm gonna jump right into foundation. Today for foundation, I'm using my Armani To Go Essence and Foundation Cushion in number 2. Yes, number 2. And I've been in love with this foundation. I've been wearing it non-stop. It's really like cool when you first touch your skin with it too. It's pretty good coverage. I really like it. Just the cut of this puff makes it so easy for you to get into the little corners of your face. I love it. Now, do you guys see that glow? Yeah. Okay, I'm just going to take my Fit Me Concealer in number 15 Fair. And I'm going to put it under my eyes, around my nose, around my smile line. Using the Skin Foods Wedge Puff, I'm just going to blend that in. I'm using MISSHA's Contour Gradation Stick in number 2. It looks like this. And this part is highlight and this part is shade. I'm going to draw some lines on my face first. And then with the highlight on the other side, I'm going to put it on the places where I want highlight. And going back to the Skin Food Wedge Puff, I'm just going to blend that all in again. Alright, so I put all the liquid and cream type on, so I'm just going to powder that all up with my Mercier translucent powder. Then I'm just gonna go over first my forehead, sides of my face, and then lastly the middle part. I'm going to use Too Cool for School Art Class by Rodin. I'm going to mix these two colors together in the middle, under my lips. This makes your lips look fuller, which is what I want. I'm not gonna go back and forth. I'm just going to dab, 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 dab. Dab, 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 dab. Dab, 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 dab. With the contour brush, I'm going to mix it all up. Go over my jawline and slightly my cheekbones. I'm going to highlight using Xoxo's highlighter in SN04. Talked about this non-stop in my Japan videos. It's so pretty. Just going to put my fan brush over that product. Just go. Oh my gosh, you guys see that? It's just so pretty. If you do this, this. It gets the highest point of your nose bridge. Kind of like it. So my face is done. I'm going to move on to my eyebrows. I'm using Benefit's Goof Proof Brow Pencil in number 4. I also got this at the duty free when I was going to Japan. I really like it so far. I'm just going to follow my natural brow shape. I don't want to do anything too archy today. Okay, like this, just gonna go with my natural brow shape. Okay, I'm gonna brush the product to the front of my eyebrows. Alright, I'm gonna go over that just once with this Brow Precise Fiber Volumizer, and I'm just gonna go over it really softly. I'm not gonna make really strong brows today. Alrighty, my eyebrows are done. It's time for some eyeshadows. I also bought this palette during my trip to Japan at the duty free, and it's CLIO's Matte Metal eye palette. This is gonna be the 3rd time I show you guys the color. It's really pretty. So I'm gonna be using mostly the matte colors. The first color I'm going to use is the lightest color, just because I want to set the base of my eye color with beige. I'm going to go ahead and do that. Next, I'm going to pick up this rosy color right here, and that is going to go over my crease line a little bit. Okay, and I'm gonna put the same color a little bit under my eyes on the outer corners. Moving on to the Xoxo eye quad, and I think this is number SR05. I'm going to pick up the darkest brown color right here and then put it into the outer corners of my eyes. Just on the outer side, like this. Then I'm going to blend that out with the Sephora brush. Just blending so it doesn't look too harsh. Now it's time to line our eyes. I'm going to tightline my eyes with the Nature Republic Skinny Auto Eyeliner in brown. And then I'm using Heroine Makes Smooth Liquid Eyeliner in brown that I got in Japan again. I'm going to give myself a full eyeline. But I want like a soft, cozy vibe, so I'm going to put my eyeline down. Alrighty, and you guys know what's next. I'm going to put some lashes on. These are also from Japan. These are called Luminous Change Girl Style number 2. Looks really nice. I'm kind of excited. Alrighty. Here we go. Alright, lashes are on. I'm just going to give it a squeeze and curl them. To make it look kind of natural, I'm just going to go over it with MISSHA's 3D mascara. Alright, I'm gonna move on to my blush. This is also from MISSHA. MISSHA times Beyond Closet. It's the Tension Blusher in number 1. This was a limited edition, so I don't know if you guys can get it anymore, but it's like this color. I'm gonna smile. It's a really pretty color. It's really elegant and pretty. I'm just going to take it up to my temple area, and I'm going to go over that with Holika Piece Matching Blusher in Kind Nude. It's like a nudie blusher. I'm just going to go over that to set the cream blusher. Alright, last but not least, I'm going to move on to my lips. I'm using CLIO's Matte Lip Tint in number 8 Chai Tea Latte. They had number 1 through number 5. They just came out with like 5 more colors, I think. And so I just had to get my hands on them, and I got this. It's a really pretty pink beige MLBB color. I've been like obsessed with it. I've been addicted to it, so I've been wearing it almost every day. But before we put that on, I'm going to line my lips again with Wake Make Skinny Lip Crayon in Rose Quartz. I'm going to just... You don't have to do this, you can skip this, but I really have been obsessed with putting lip liner on and making my lips look thicker and juicier, so I love it. But again, you guys can totally skip this. I'm gonna go in with this lip tint. Looks like this. And I'm going to remove my hair roll. Guys, that's it for today's makeup tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed this kind of like wintry but still kind of moving on to spring kind of look. I think it was a perfect time to do this because, you know, as it gets warmer, I'll move on to brighter colors and you'll see a ton of that. But just before we move on, I wanted to just take time to appreciate this transition. Just super excited for spring. I hope you guys are excited just as much as I am. Don't forget to click like and leave some love down on the comment box below. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, you know what to do. Is it here? Here? I don't know, but click the subscribe button and become a Toki. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!